Pack smart for maximum convenience. Packing might seem straightforward, but in peak season travel, it's all about strategy. Start with a carry-on bag to avoid the chaos of checked luggage, especially when airports are at their busiest. You'll save time at check-in and skip the risk of your bag getting lost in transit. Packing light means focusing on versatile clothing. Think layers that can adapt to changing weather and mix and match outfits that take you from day to night. By planning your wardrobe carefully, you'll avoid overpacking while still being prepared for every scenario. Don't forget to pack smart travel essentials. A portable charger keeps your devices running during long waits, while travel-sized toiletries help you breeze through security. Items like collapsible water bottles and reusable bags are not only eco-friendly, but also incredibly handy during peak season trips. Smart packing goes beyond what's in your bag. It's also about organization. Use packing cubes to keep your items sorted and accessible, and make sure important documents like passports and tickets are easy to grab. The less time you spend digging through your bag, the more time you have to enjoy your adventure.